What's up, old sport? Oliver Fujimori here, quantitative trader and founder of Synthesis DeFi. With 10 years of experience in trading, I have already traded for 2 proprietary trading firms and 1 hedge fund. And I'm here to share with you guys some deep insights about trading, because I see that in the HEX community, there is a lack of understanding of how trading really works. So there are 2 things that I'm going to share with you guys today, which is how to view the markets the way it is, not the way you think it is, and how to view the correct price of HEX, because there's a lot of players that are watching the wrong price of HEX, right? So you guys can make better informed decisions. So to the first point, guys, listen, the market's like a Russian doll. There are fractals within fractals. And frequently, there are patterns repeating. Now, what are patterns? Patterns are things that repeat over and over again. But in order to see the patterns, you must have a tool. And I have a tool, which is the indicator that I've created for myself, right? So, from the top of the market at 50 cents, you can see that we have the first drop and then 1 leg up. So, let's call it a fractal. Down, up, down. Top, bottom. Once we had the first breakout here to the upside, you can see that the market held in the first target price, which is this green line right here from the extension, right? And the second level is the white line. Now in the next fractal, you can see that the market actually held the second level. And this is just some sort of pattern that is happening all the time, in all time frames, in all assets, everything, commodities, forex, whatever you call it, right? Now, listen, the market is like a Russian doll. There are fractals within fractals. So I'm going to change my indicator to 1 week, and you'll see that actually we had 3 legs. And inside these 3 legs, we have the daily legs, the daily fractals, right? Inside the weekly fractals, we have the daily fractals. As you can see, we had top, bottom, top, bottom, top, bottom. The same pattern repeated here. But the thing is, instead of just stopping at the second level, which is the white line, it surpassed it a little bit, which is normal, right? Not all the times it's flawless. But you can see that here in the candlestick that the market reacted pretty sharply. Like, yeah, it really reacted fast to that level, which means that players are actually watching these levels, right? In the second leg right here, you can see that we hit the first target level, which is the green line, like 4 weeks ago, right? And we have a ranging period exactly at this price level. This is important. This pattern is quite important because if you know a little bit of Elliott wave, you will see that we had here a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wave, right? And it's such a coincidence that the wave number 5 is just stopping at the target, right? Anyway, so this is how you view the market. You must see the fractals and the bigger fractals, right? The second part that I want to teach you guys really fast here, to share with you guys really fast here, is how to see the correct price of HEX. Because there are many players that are watching the wrong price of HEX. Remember that HEX had a fork in May, right? So in May 2023, the supply of HEX tokens were duplicated. This means that in Pulse chain, you had the same amount. You have the same amount of HEX than in Ethereum chain. But the price halved. It dropped 50%. Now, before the fork, our minimum level, our minimum price in the bear market was 0.17. With the fork, we should not just watch EHEX and PHEX isolated. We must watch global HEX price, right? And the global HEX price bottom is 0.016, which means that we had a false breakout. And with that false breakout, we did two fractals to the upside here. So pay attention, because it's not melting the market just like you guys think. How do you see this price? You can just copy and paste this code here in the symbol search, which I will share in the description, or even better, you can open your HEX price in Ethereum, go to symbol search, and sum it with PHEX price. So HEX from Pulse, right? Do not select the first one, because what we're looking for is the HEX price in USD terms. So you just sum this symbol, and there it is. So guys, listen. You'll not find any content like mine in the whole YouTube, because, I mean, I've searched for it. And I'm going to share very deep insights of trading, things that you cannot find around. I'll talk about market making, arbitrage, market manipulation, every sort of market manipulation that I know, and I've already seen that. I'll talk about price projections, price extensions, liquidity pools, anyway, and trading, everything trading overall. The way that you've never seen before. There are a lot of channels around talking about trading and crypto, but the fact is that they were never institutional traders. So you're going to see from the lenses of from someone that had to trade large volumes of assets, right? So I hope you enjoy it. Please subscribe so we can reach a bigger audience, and maybe we can help the HEX community to be better informed instead of wrecked. Right? So that's it. See you next time, and thank you for watching.